had in a prominent auto analyst from Morgan Stanley just the day before yesterday. And in talking to him about the relative value of Tesla on the one hand and General Motors on the other, he said, if you gave me $20 billion to give to either Elon Musk or Mary Barra, I would give it to Elon Musk because there's more growth there. Yeah, that was his response.
Yeah.
So what's your response to that question? Because you have a short position on Tesla at the same time you're proposing this for General Motors.
Yeah, I think it's a question of what the purpose of the $20 billion is. If the purpose of the $20 billion is to earn a profit and a return on the $20 billion, I think you would give it to Mary Barra because GM is interested in its return on capital. They're trying to make about a 20% return on its invested capital, and that's a wonderful return on $20 billion to the extent that they were able to deploy it. I think if the purpose of a business is to advance the future, to have science experiments and really cool, buzzwordy kind of things, then you would give it to Tesla. Because there you have a guy who's done all kinds of fancy innovation and is thinking about how society should be 50 years from now, 100 years from now, but he's yet to actually take any money and turn it into a profitable business. And I don't have any optimism that that will change.
Well, you may be right, we'll find out about Tesla, but there seem to be a lot of investors who are willing to give him more money to do science experiments or whatever he's doing.
Yeah.
I mean, how much commitment do you have to have as a long short investor? When you go short on something like Tesla, that can get pretty painful.
Yeah, look, Tesla is one of, many things we have in what we call our bubble basket of stocks that we just think are mispriced, and they're mispriced by huge, huge amounts. And, they're sized in a way that gives us the ability to, wait a fair amount of time to be proven right or wrong. I think eventually the mood of the market will change. Eventually the company will be called into account to demonstrate profitability. I don't know when that will happen, and the portfolio is positioned properly relative to the risk and the reward there.
You also have a